This one, the left one.
I'll put this one here.
One.
No, but I can put my leg like this. Oh my God. Ah, Jesus. Take what?
Soy el fuego que arde tu piel. Soy el agua que mata tu sed. El castillo, la torre, yo soy la espada que guarda el caudal. Tú el aire que respiro yo.
Hey guys, so it's my birthday today. It's going to be all shades of fun today. Like seriously, man. There's a lot of fun to have today. So let me take you guys on a very brief journey. So we're spending these few days in this small hideout. So this is the pool over there. This is a restaurant, and we're going to be seeing a whole lot by afternoon or maybe towards evening. So it's a very beautiful place. Okay, so once in a while, as a forex trader, it's good to do some withdrawals and chop your money, chop part of the money, because that's the reward of all your labors, the reward of all your suffering. Okay, it's not every day, however, but every now and then it's good to withdraw some money and spend it this way. Okay, so let's sit down here. Come on, let's sit down here. Oh, give me my iPhone. Yo. Bit of what? I see.
No, how are you?
Main reason why our horses are mostly Argentine is because they're the best horses, and they are the type of horses you could easily manipulate.
They're really big. Can these things get violent?
In the farm, we have racing horses, riding horses, and polo horses.
You sure they're not violent? Yeah.
This one is a polo
Man,
horse.
this is a big one.
You can easily tell from the hair on the back. So the polo horses have their head cut short.
Okay.
So the hair does not decide to ride on the head is cut.
Okay, they are caught by you guys. Okay.
The riding horses just lay in
Life is good.
Here we have the monkeys. These are the Tantalus monkeys, also called green monkeys because of the olive green color on them.
Okay.
They are the type of monkeys that could easily be found in Nigeria, Ghana, and Sudan. The stubborn monkeys.
Stubborn? Yeah. Why stubborn?
Just don't eat.
What do they eat majorly?
We feed them majorly vegetables and fruits from the farm, of course.
Okay.
You see the banana there, watermelon.
But they would eat like normal carbohydrates?
Ideally, they could eat anything.
Interesting. Yeah, just two of them.
Yeah, we just have two right now. We had like four.
Okay.
Well, we lost two.
Died?
Yeah.
Why? What's inside here?
So we have a few rabbits here.
Okay.
These ones were kept here so guests could have somewhere to see. But the
Okay.
rabbits naturally are just allowed to roam around.
Oh,
And here we have some Chinese chickens.
Chinese chicken.
Chinese, yes.
Are you serious?
So these ones are Brahma chickens. We have 3 different breeds. As long as the egg is not too
Babe, see. See the legs, you feel like he's wearing trousers. Okay.
This part we have the crocodile. Yes. So we have one moving. The belly move. Alright, stop. So the crocodiles, these ones are the Nile crocodiles, largest species of crocodiles in Africa. One is that one there, which is still not big compared to how.
Are they
long
violent?
can grow. They can be, yeah. They are carnivores, so they eat fish. We feed them raw meat, but of course they prefer anything alive.
So why did they just open their mouth like that?
So they actually let off heat through their mouths, their sweat.
Soy el fuego que arde tu piel, soy el agua que mata tu
I
sed,
just eat
el
hops.
castillo,
But now we
la
have
torre,
over.
yo soy la espada que guarda el caudal, tú el aire que respiro yo, y la luz de la luna en el mar, la garganta que ansio mojar, que temo ahogar de amor. Este celos me vas a dar, oh, dices tú mi tesoro, basta con mirarlo, y tuyo será, y tuyo será. Soy el fuego que arde tu piel, soy el agua que mata tu sed, el castillo, la torre, yo soy la espada que guarda el caudal, tú el aire que respiro yo, y la luz de la luna en el mar, la